Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक एकदम ही रैंडम सा व्लॉग. मैंने सोचा यार इतना फोकस होके इतने परफेक्शन वाले मोमेंट्स ढूंढती हूँ. सो लेट मी जस्ट टेक यू विथ मी थ्रू माई नॉर्मल डेज. सो मैं आ गई हूँ घर पे इन वडोदरा फ्रॉम माई PG. आज ही आई हूँ. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी स्पेंड द नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज. आई प्लान ऑन लिविंग एट होम. सो या, आई टेक you guys with me. So guys, I have got this Baker's Dozen choco chip cake, zero palm oil, zero trans fat, a cute little cake. यहाँ पे नाइफ. ये हम लेके आए हैं बिकॉज मेरी बहन का 12th बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म हो चुका है. काफ़ी लंबा चला. CBSE's काइंड ऑफ टफ एंड नाउ शी इज़ गोइंग टू कट दिस. गाइस डेडिकेशन देखो, मैं वो अहमदाबाद से उसके लिए स्पेशल ब्लिंकिट करके लेके आई हूँ केक. That's the dedication. Congratulations, Meera, on completing your board exams.
Thank you.
હવે આ વચ્ચેથી જ કટ કરી નાખ્યું છે તો પીસ કેવી રીતના જમાડી સામના. You like the cake? It's very good. This is my dinner, guys. देख लो. और एकदम raw vlog बना रही हूँ मैं. Let's eat. Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Hi.
Meera is very shy.
Hi
guys, a very good morning and मैं अभी उठ गई हूँ थोड़ी देर पहले. I am yet to take my shower. अभी I just finished brushing my teeth and I thought कि चलो breakfast कर लेते हैं. So mama has made भाखरी, ठीक है, and मैं बहुत दिनों बाद भाखरी खा रही हूँ. I'm so happy. It gives me, it's like soul food. ठीक है. उसके साथ I am eating some mango. It is the mango season and you guys know I love mango, so I'm having that along with some cold coffee. Let's quickly have our breakfast and then we'll see how our day goes. Hi guys, checking in after quite some time. Definitely did not expect this when I started the vlog, but हमारी तबीयत हो गई है ख़राब. The last shot that you saw was me in the morning having breakfast. उसके बाद everything has just gone bad. मतलब I felt sick in the sense कि मेरे को इतनी vomiting हो गई and I have had a very very bad headache and I have been literally rotting in bed. I have had a lot of work that needs to be done but I wasn't able to do anything. I was in bed. I still am in bed and I was supposed to make दाल today. मैंने मम्मा को बोला था कि आप राइस बना के जाना, दाल मैं बनाऊँगी, बट मैंने वो भी नहीं किया. सो अभी हमारे 3 बज रहे हैं और हमारे लंच के कोई ठिकाने नहीं है. अब भी जस्ट मम्मा आई है. सो नाउ शी इज़ गोना मेक द दाल एंड आई फील सो बैड बिकॉज इट वॉज सपोज टू बी माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दैट आई हैड विलिंगली टेकन बट बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग लाइक इट. मेरे को एक्चुअली कुछ खाने का भी मन नहीं कर रहा है बट या it is what it is. But I'm gonna eat something because I don't feel very good. Let's see how things go. अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग हुआ तो आई लेट यू गाइज नो. आई एम सपोज टू डू लाइक अ शॉर्ट अनबॉक्सिंग बिकॉज आई ऑर्डर्ड अ फ्यू थिंग्स फ्रॉम अमेजोन और मेरे को आप लोगों को दिखाना था कि मैंने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया है, रैंडम चीज़ें. और लेट्स सी मैं वो अनबॉक्सिंग कब करती हूँ. एंड गाइज ये रहा मेरा लंच. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं खा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट वेल. आई एम हैविंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ राइस विथ सम दही. This is literally my lunch. Hi guys, it's the next day and as promised yesterday I have a bunch of stuff that I got from Amazon and मैंने घर का एड्रेस डाला था instead of my PG का एड्रेस, तो सारा सामान इधर आके रखा हुआ है. Let's quickly unbox together and see what all did I get from Amazon. Just a disclaimer, it's the most random stuff ever. Starting with this. This is package number 1. इसमें है ओके, दिस इज़ अ पोर्टेबल ब्लेंडर जो मैंने खरीदा है. सो ये पोर्टेबल ब्लेंडर मैंने इसलिए लिया है बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू मेक माई कोल्ड कॉफ़ी एवरी सिंगल डे इन द PG. इसलिए आई थॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग इन दिस एंड प्लस इट्स ऑल्सो लाइक अ जूस मेकर. तो यू नो मतलब इन केस आई वॉन्ट टू मेक जूस तो आई कैन. दिस इज़ वॉट इट लुक्स लाइक. इट कम्स विथ 2 jars, a charger and the actual thing. So this is the cute portable blender that I got and it's so good. I just love it. I feel like इसमें मेरी cold coffee भी बढ़िया बन जाएगी. In case I want to start my morning with a nice smoothie or some fruit juice, I can easily make it in this blender. This is a good investment in case you're looking for one. Since this is like a pretty random kind of a thing that I'm doing, this is not a proper haul recommendation sort of a video, इसलिए मैं बढ़िया से नीचे बैठ गई हूँ. Don't mind me. The next thing that I got, this is, let me show it to you guys. Okay, so this is a black book. In case you are wondering कि मैंने क्यों मंगवाया है, तो इसका एक specific purpose है. I want to make like a travel book जिसमें मैं अपनी हर ट्रिप के छोटे छोटे जो memories होते हैं उसका मैं collage बना के इस scrap book में डालना चाहती हूँ. That is the aim and that is why I've gotten this book. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on how I do that, because मैंने भी पहले ऐसे travel art journaling नहीं किया है. Had to change the angle. But any which ways, this is the next thing that I got. This is so good. The quality of this t-shirt is amazing. This is a brown t-shirt. It has Los Angeles written on it and I love the material. It's so comfortable. पहले तो ये unbox कर लेते हैं बड़ा सा डब्बा. इसमें मुझे पता है क्या है. मैंने ना कुछ storage containers मंगवाए हैं. 3 अलग अलग कलर के storage containers है ये. I'm gonna show you. I'm just a lot into organizing and storing stuff properly. So these are the storage boxes that I've ordered. 3 different colors में आए हैं ये. I really like the colors, I have to say, and they're pretty spacious. The reason मैंने order किए हैं because PG में मुझे ना अपने cupboard में I want to put these compartments and I want to organize my makeup and skincare and stuff like that. You can also organize your clothes in this because it comes with a lid, so you know you can just kind of close the lid and use a container. Also, I will be putting all of these links down in the description box for you guys to check it out. Don't worry, this is not a proper haul. I'm just sharing this because I got it and I thought कि बहुत ही random सा vlog चल रहा है 2-3 दिन का, तो देख लो आप उसमें क्या क्या मैं करती हूँ. So these are the boxes. मैंने actually gift already open कर लिया है. Yes, it's a gift from one of my super close friends. She lives in Bangalore and मेरे birthday वाले दिन, which was like in December, I was not at home. I was in Rishikesh. But उस दिन उसने मेरे को पूछा था कि can I send you something like if you're at home, and I told her नहीं, I'm not at home, please don't send anything, right? Because I was traveling. And then when I came back, randomly she sent me a gift from Myntra and it's super cute, super aesthetic, something that I know that I am gonna use a lot. This is what she sent me. This is a super cute foxtail kit. It has a cleanser, it has a face mask, it has a lip oil, and it also has a moisturizer. It's like the perfect CTM kind of a kit that you can carry. And ये सब छोड़ो, आप ये देखो, the pouch is so goddamn cute. Actually मैंने आते ही खोल लिया था because she wanted to know if I liked her gift or not, and of course I'm gonna love it. I mean, that's not even a question. She knows me very well, right? तो ये है उसका lip oil. Try and apply it. Wow, it smells so yummy. Oh my god, I feel like eating it up, but I won't. Thank you so much if you are seeing this video. Thank you for sending me this gift. One more Amazon box for you guys. इसमें देखते हैं क्या है. I feel like there are days when I don't order anything from Amazon, and then there are days when I end up placing like one big order on Amazon. I love Amazon. Okay, first things first, I got myself a new hairbrush. I just told you. I love the hairbrush. This is a bamboo hairbrush that I have gotten. It's super aesthetic, very, very nice. I'm just gonna like comb my hair a little bit, but it looks so good, and I love the bristles especially. All right, moving on to the next thing, that is this. Oh yeah, this is a glass tumbler. Oh my god, shit, I hope I don't break it. This is a vertical stack straw cup, as you can see in the picture. बाप रे, इसमें कुछ तो आवाज कर रहा है. I'm scared. I hope it's not broken. I hope hope I did not break the straw. No, I did not. The straw is also made of glass, which is surprising. But this is my very new coffee tumbler. ये पूरा कांच का है. Comes with this wooden lid and a glass straw. This is so aesthetic. Oh my god, you guys just look at it. I can't wait to start having my cold coffee in this. So good, love it. Alright guys, this is the last thing that I had ordered from Amazon. This is the USB dynamic water pattern light. In case you are wondering what exactly is this is what it is. ये ना मैंने बहुत सारी Instagram reels and ads में देखा है that it looks very pretty and it really helps you calm down. And I'm an overthinker, तो मुझे ना रात को ऐसे सोते टाइम एकदम ऐसे ambient lighting अच्छी लगती है, wherein you know I can just ease myself into sleeping. Sounds weird, but it is what it is. So this is how it looks like. This is, I don't know if it's from which brand का नाम लिखा ही नहीं है इस पे, but it has LED long life, USB plugged in, 5 hours of battery. It has light color change, 3 intensities, and it comes with a remote. है ना, ऐसे बहुत सुंदर सा वो है, इस पे texture बना हुआ है basically. Let me show you. I also haven't opened this. Yes, this is what it looks like. ठीक है, it comes with this USB plug जो मैं अभी किसी adapter में लगा दूंगी. And guys, if you see a little bit of red, that's because I switched on the beautiful lighting. It looks so pretty. You can easily like change the colors. Like if you want blue, if you want a little bit of light blue, you can go for teal. I mean, it's just so cute. I love the remote and I love this LED lighting. I'm gonna show you at night कि वो कैसा दिखता है. This was all for my random Amazon haul. ये ऐसी चीज़ें जो मैंने पता नहीं ऐसे अलग अलग चीज़ें ऑर्डर कर ली है for no particular reason. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see ya आज शाम को. Today is my sister's valedictory function, so I will be going to my school. My school because both of us have studied in the same school. So शाम को हमने पिया yummy सा sugarcane juice. I love sugarcane juice and I feel like summers में it's so important to lean on like different types of drinks to stay hydrated. And फिर हम ready होके निकल गए for the valedictory function which was happening at my school and my sister's school. So yeah, let me take you with me. It was so nostalgic. I am going to the school after like 5 years probably or 4 years. It's been quite some time. And ये देखो ये पूरा setup है valedictory का. It looked so pretty.
Tonight marks the students' passing into a world that will test their character, challenge their dreams, and call on them to serve, to rise and to lead. The evening unfolds with the academic procession. Leading the procession is our chief guest.
And just the right touch of chaos. ये सिर्फ एक क्लास नहीं है, ये है एक वाइब्रेंट मोज़ेक ऑफ माइंड्स जो कभी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बिजनेस आइडियाज में खो जाते हैं, कभी पॉलिटिकल साइंस के टॉपिक्स पर फुल ऑन डिबेट करते हैं और बीच में साइकोलॉजी पढ़ते वक्त थोड़ा एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस भी एक्सपीरियंस कर लेते हैं. तो चलिए जश्न मनाते हैं 12F की brilliant.
And with the next group of students, I welcome you all to a world where energy meets ambition and every move, beat and victory tells a story. Presenting the dynamic champions Anna, Nishita, Kashvi, Rudri, Miraba and Manya Desai.
With passion as their fuel and talent as their weapon, they don't just compete, they inspire. Miraba, with her golden voice, sings the symphony of stars and has earned admiration for her musical performance in Bharat Vikas Parishad competitions held at the district level.
Winning accolades in Bharatnatyam, semi-classical and western dance organized.
Oh, Tvam Brahmasi, Tum Brahma ho, Tvam Advaitah asti, Tum Advitiya ho, Tav Astitva asti, तुम्हारा अस्तित्व है. हे वत्स, इन शब्दों को आधार दे, एक इकाई होने का प्रमाण दे। संशय को अपने मन से दूर कर।
ये देखो गाइज, मेरे को फोटोग्राफर बना रखा है एंड दिस इज़ द ओनली रीज़न शी इज़ कॉल्ड मी हियर, बट आई मिस माई स्कूल. A lot of interiors have changed, but in essence Navrachna still remains Navrachna. Guys, हम खा रहे हैं स्कूल का खाना after 5 long years. Wow. I used to love my स्कूल का खाना and I still do. Guys, this is Meera and this is her photo on the student council. And here's another hoarding with her picture captured so beautifully. I'm so proud of her. She's completed school in the best way possible.
Yay! Cheers to 2024-25. Let's go.
Hi guys, so we are done with the valedictory and it was so much fun. I hope you guys also enjoy this video. I think I'm gonna end it here. Do you want to say something?
No, I'm just happy.
Miss you, Papa. Hi guys, हम आ चुके हैं घर पे. I'm back in my PJs. It was a long evening, but it was so much fun. I met all of my teachers from school after such a long time. Very nostalgic. I literally, throughout the event, I could actually see my own valedictory in front of my eyes. I mean, so nostalgic. And I met all of my school teachers. I was so happy meeting them. And वो कहते हैं ना कि आप कितना भी आगे बढ़ जाओ लाइफ में, स्कूल इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी योर होम इन द ट्रूएस्ट सेंस, एंड नवरचना is literally always going to be that for me. Lot of memories, but enjoyed each and every moment of that function. एंड या बाकी तो आपने स्निपेट्स में देख ही लिया है. आई थिंक यहाँ पे मैं इस व्लॉग को एंड कर लेती हूँ, वरना बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैव द Amazon haul, we have the valedictory, we also have the little tidbits of my daily life. I have tried to do a little bit of like daily vlogging kind of a thing. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like it. Also, अभी तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ कर लेना guys. Please do that. And one last thing, I am ready to go off to sleep, but today has been such a beautiful day. I'm gonna pop a few images of our evening. It's been so amazing. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.